We're here in Phoenix at Truck Access Plus. Did a build on this 2022 Tundra. We did the RetraxPRO XR with the accessory ready rails. This customer can now do a rack with this cover. It's a manual retractable, one push and it's open. So this cover locks wherever you want along the rail. It's aluminum. It's loaded for 500 pounds of weight. You can stand on this cover. Super durable, easy to use. This is the top of the line bed security. It provides style, versatility. This is the start of the build. Now you can do load bars. You can do a cab height rack for kayaks, bikes. The RetraxPRO is the best cover. We also did these N-FAB Epyx. Provide a nice drop to get in and out of the truck. Provides a nice off-road style, rugged. It's like a step stair to get in now, so there's no struggle. We have accessories for these 2022 Tundras. Visit us in Phoenix, truckaccessplus.com. We're gonna take care of you.